This is the new MV feature inside OiiOii, and today I am building a complete music video from start to finish, and let me show you the exact workflow. Okay, so real quick, if you make music, you already know this will exist, so once the track is done, it needs a music video. And that means a concept, storyboarding, finding footage, and even an editor where he has to sync all the scenes to the beats. And that's a different skill set, a different budget, and honestly, a different job, where most independent artists never make it there. Now, I have covered an AI music video tools on his channel before, and they all work kind of the same way, and it's a slot machine. The song goes in, video comes out the other way, and you just have to cross your fingers. Now with OiiOii, it's the first one that I gave me somebody to actually talk to. So there's an director, art director in there, there's a sound director, and you brief them like you'd actually brief an actual crew, and they even come back with questions and you can go back in forward before a single frame gets generated. And that's a completely different way to work, so let's go ahead and build one. So here is the plan. The concept is called Last Shift. It's a stop motion claymation story about the last night at a little roadside dinner before it closes for good. That there's an old teen robot who's been working there at the counter for about 30 years, and it has one last customer, one last cup of coffee, warm, kind of sad, hopeful ending. And notice what it's not neon streets and rain in another cyberpunk city, because I think that we have all seen enough of that. Okay, now we'll go ahead and select the skill, so we'll select the MV creation. I'll go ahead and paste in my script and 3 reference images plus the song that I already have. Now this script is going to generate the stop motion animation. So we have story based, rhythm and VFX, and artist performance. Basically you can choose from the MV type. So in this one we'll go for the narrative story. Now we have the song, so the art director is going to invite the sound director in order to join the chat. The sound director is going to analyze the music, and it's going to create us right here this timeline in which we have all of the beats, recordings, and you can select from where the actual video should start rolling from. And now for the storyboard, it is editable before it renders, so we have lyrics, characters, filters, music structure, and individual characters. So before any scene renders, you can just go ahead, play it out. You can see the script, it's on your screen for each individual shot, and basically you can change anything before you spend any tokens, which is pretty interesting. And now it also has added the character designer into the chat, and we are planning all the characters, and they look pretty nice. We have the old man, the robot right here, and it's pretty crazy.
Last play, last check, last roll, and the clock don't care where the years all went, just the hum of the light and the neon band. So
you can look at this cut because that's exactly on beat, and it even kept the same robot throughout every single scene, same dance and same appearance.
trucker in the corner booth won't say goodbye, just nods at the rain and finish his pie. 30 years of somebody's Tuesday night.
And that last shot with the bulb, come on.
Last time. Last shift, last time.
So who is this actually for? If you're an independent musician sitting on finished tracks with no videos, this is a no-brainer. Producers, animators, visual artists, faceless music video channels, and client work? Honestly, if somebody's paying you for a music promo, you can turn a concept around the same day instead of the same month. And everything after the song happens in just one single platform, so you never leave the tab. So that's OiiOii MV feature for you. The link's gonna be down in the description. It's an invite link, so grab that one. Bring a track with you and let's see you generating. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you into the next one and peace out.